Is your Mac Mini's Wi-Fi slow or laggy even when the signal is strong? This usually happens because your DNS settings aren't optimized, causing delays in loading websites. In this video, I'll show you how to set a faster DNS on your Mac Mini M4, M3, M2, or M1 to boost your internet speed. So let's get started. Click the Wi-Fi icon in the top menu. Next, click on Wi-Fi settings. Then click on Details next to your Wi-Fi network. Now click on DNS from the right sidebar. Click on the plus icon under the DNS server option. Now enter 8.8.8.8 or 1.1.1.1. Then click on the empty place in the server box. Then again, click on the plus icon. Now enter 8.8.4.4 or 1.0.0.1 and then click OK. Now your internet speed will be faster than before. And that's how you can set a faster DNS on your Mac Mini M4, M3, M2, or M1. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.